Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we have Bethany here with us again, and we are going to make the best steaks you've ever had. I had 3 ribeyes that my son purchased for me, and we have our Knorr's beef base. What you're going to do is you're going to take your steaks out, you're going to pat them dry. That's it. And then once we pat them dry, we're going to take them over to... Okay, we're going to take these over to a grill that's already preheated, and we're going to cook our steaks to what you like. And that's it. Okay, we have our grill that's already preheated. We just took our steak. We're taking our steaks and just putting them on the grill like so. And then we're going to cook these to, well, I got 2 of them. I'll let you do the last one. Okay, come on. Get over here, pick it up. And put it right, pick it up. Oh, like so. Put it over there. There you go. That's why.
Oh,
okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let these steaks cook on each side to however you like your steak cooked.
Yeah.
Gotta let your beef set to 10 minutes to 15, and it's best if you let it sit for overnight.
And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.